Okay, this is such a simple recipe for pear vodka. What I'm doing here is cutting up some pears. For this recipe, we leave the skins on, and we even add in the core of the pear. Just chop your pears up. Here I'm just opening the vodka I have, because some will need to be tipped out. I'm using a brand called Smirnoff, but any supermarket vodka will do. Once all the pears are in the bottle, I'm going to be re-adding vodka to the bottle. Okay, now we can start adding the pears. I'm just putting them straight into the vodka bottle. These I cut a little big, so you may want to cut them smaller. Just keep adding to the bottle. I'd say until you're about 3/4 of the way to the top. I was a bit daunted by making my own flavoured vodkas at first, but this was so simple. Just wiping off the top. Here, as you can see, I'm just re-adding the vodka back to the bottle. once you've done this, you're going to want to leave this vodka from anywhere from 5 days to 30 days. You should be shaking it 2 or 3 times a day just to incorporate those pear flavours. Obviously, the longer you leave it, the more flavourful it will be. In 30 days, I will strain this vodka and take the pears out. Once you do this, the vodka will last for up to 3 months. And here it is. I will let you know how this turns out. Leave me a comment and let me know if you're trying this.